Tushar Ramnan from 99 Workouts. We've been featuring some amazing professionals on 99 Workouts, which you have been watching on Instagram, and I've had amazing response coming in with comments and likes. And please keep on watching, and we will have amazing people featuring on 99 Workouts. These are people who may inspire you, may motivate you to take up any kind of sports, or any kind of what you call joining a gym, or maybe you might get motivated by their lifestyle. So please keep on following me on 99 Workouts. Today we have a very special guest. Her journey needs to be really understood well, because there are very few women who participate or get involved or transform and come into a very different profession altogether. So just stay connected to me, and I'm going to introduce someone today. That's Kavita Nandi. Hi Kavita.
Hi sir.
Sorry, I'm really sorry. I had to catch her in the gym, and that's the only place I can catch her actually. So why don't we have a seat and we'll just talk? Yeah. Kavita, your journey is very interesting. Because you started very late, I believe, by the way, Kavita is a figure athlete, and she's a mother, and we need to know how her journey started and how she decided to really move from a regular domestic life to going on stage to compete. So Kavita, tell me, you're born brought up in Pune?
Yes. Basically, I am from Pune only. I was born in a Maharashtrian family.
Okay.
And then about the fitness journey, so I would like to tell, I started my first job of age of 17 or 18 somewhere,
Okay.
and I was a trainer.
Oh, okay.
I was a trainer, and after that I just got interest in all the fitness related things. Then I started upgrading myself by doing the many certifications. So I am a certified fitness trainer in then aerobics, then Zumba, then I am a martial artist, I'm a black belt, and I'm still learning so many things.
Tell me, Kavita, कि आप हमेशा slim trim side पे थी, या you were gaining weight and you had a transition happening. Generally ऐसा होता है कि जो लोग टीचर कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे, उनके लाइफ में काफी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हुआ, और उन्होंने खुद से किया, उनको किसी ने मोटिवेट अलग से अपने आप से खुद को मोटिवेट करके और वर्कआउट स्टार्ट किया. तो आपकी कुछ ऐसी स्टोरी है?
जैसे आपने बोला, तो I was lean, but after my kids, almost I was nearby 87 kg.
Okay.
So my second child होने के बाद I was 87 kg, and somewhere it was just hammering on my mind कि I can't be like this,
Right.
okay? Because I wasn't lazy हूँ, मोटी हूँ, ऐसी हूँ, वैसी. I wasn't like that. So always active lifestyle, I was doing something, any sports or everything. But certain things जैसे आपका environment रहता है, जो जैसे जो औरतें थी मेरे आजू बाजू, बच्चे होने के बाद मोटी हो गई थी एंड ऑल. सो दे स्टार्ट टेलिंग कि अभी कुछ नहीं होता है, देन अभी लाइफ खत्म, बच्चे हो गए, यू विल बी लाइक दिस, पहले जैसा कुछ नहीं रहता है. देन आई वाज लाइक, व्हाई, ऐसा क्यों है, ऐसा क्या अलग हो गया? दैट इज गुड थिंग कि यू गॉट किड्स एंड ऑल थिंग्स, दैट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ, बट दैट डजंट मीन कि यू स्टॉप एवरीथिंग. लाइफ स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम देयर. If you are healthy, then your family will be healthy. So after my second kid, I started general, you can say, basic walk, because many things happens after delivery.
Right.
So the most important thing, your baby, the feeding hota hai, then other things, even your sleep is also disturbed. So I started with just walking. Then for the 1 and 2 months, I just gained my confidence and the stamina, and then I just joined gym, regular gym. I was मैंने कभी ऐसे डाइट उस टाइम से फॉलो नहीं किया, बट आई वाज श्योर कि मैं कुछ ना कुछ एक्टिविटी करूँ. एंड फ्रॉम देयर टू देयर, फ्रॉम 87 टू नियर बाय 70 आने तक आई वाज ओके. देन 70 से then I started a rigorous workout and particular diet. And after that, 2016, कंपटीशन का जर्नी।
Right.
सो 2000
हाँ, इसके बारे में मैं थोड़ा बोलना चाहूँगा कि इनकी सेकेंड इनिंग जो है, जो पोस्ट हैविंग 2 ब्यूटीफुल चिल्ड्रन, उसके बाद इन्होंने डिसाइड किया कि अब मैं स्टेज पे जाऊंगी एज अ फिगर एथलीट टू compete among one of the best women in India who are working out regularly, religiously, who have goals, ambitions, and they are on stage competing with Kavita. So Kavita, ये कब आपको अचानक हुआ कि फ्रॉम रेगुलर फिटनेस से कंपटीशन लेवल तो इतना उसके लिए इतना सिंसियर डेडिकेशन चाहिए होता है, तो ये कब आपका माइंडसेट चेंज हुआ?
somewhere 2016 I visited one event जहाँ पे ये shows होते हैं. That was my first visit for that show, and I saw other women like they are doing very well, very confident and all that. I was not aware of that bodybuilding and how to make muscle, how to do this all that thing. The only thing I was like, वो जो वहाँ पे स्टेज पे थी, they were enjoying,
Right.
and that was something new for me.
Right.
And then I just clicked, okay, I can do that. So 2016 के बाद 2017 में मैंने फर्स्ट कॉम्पिटिशन किया. I was completely raw, like raw as in as a particular जैसे एथलीट ट्रेन होता है वैसे नहीं हुआ था. The only thing was to just be on the stage.
Right.
Let's see what happens.
Right.
So then, yeah, 2017 में वो फर्स्ट कॉम्पिटिशन किया and my experience was great. And वहाँ से मुझे push मिला. Then I came completely in a professional thing. Then I started a particular diet, particular workout, the regular pattern what each athlete do. Yeah, and from there to there, I'm here.
Guys and girls, isn't this really inspiring? Someone who went to watch a fitness show, sat in the audience, saw other women competing, and by looking at them and their lifestyle and the beauty of their physique and body, she got so inspired that she decided to participate. That is real motivation. And Kavita, tell me something. अभी तो आप प्रोफेशनली compete कर रही हैं, तो आपका रूटीन जो है, because you're a mother, you have to take care of 2 children, you have to take care of family, then because professional training is very different. You cannot miss one meal, or you cannot have कि चलो आज खा लेते हैं, कल देखा जाएगा, because you can't do that, because it's all about your nutrition. Every meal counts. You do that. You follow that?
Exactly. As I mentioned, I am a professional athlete. To get that kind of physique, you need to follow a certain rules.
Right.
Okay. See, that was my decision. I want to come here. I want to do a bodybuilding. So मैं उससे भाग नहीं सकती या पीछे नहीं सकती, और I can't give any excuse. That is a really excuse. My day start from morning like 5 AM. Okay, मेरे 2 बच्चे kids को like 2 kids है. Then they go to school. So I drop them school. I come back. I have my just quick meal and I go to the gym. So like 8:15 I leave the gym. Then I come back. Then again the whole का पूरा schedule रहता है. It's all packed. And then जब भी competition रहता है, so I need to work out twice in a day. So like cardio आता है, weight training आता है. So yeah, so I go cardio in the morning, and I make sure that I won't skip my workout in the evening. So बच्चों का पूरा होने के बाद, like उनका homework and all things होने के बाद, I go to the gym again come back, again do my meal, make them have like play everything whatever they wanted, and by 10-11 we just go to the bed.
Guys, यहाँ पे लोग सिर्फ एक बार जिम आने की कोशिश करते हैं और मेहनत करते हैं कि मंडे आएगा, न्यू ईयर आएगा, अभी करेंगे, तभी करेंगे. But here you have a person who has got so many things to do, goes to the gym twice in a day, and she has, I'm sure, आपके घर पे आपके लिए अलग खाना, बच्चों के लिए अलग, हस्बैंड के लिए अलग, फैमिली गेस्ट आते तो उनके लिए अलग टाइप का खाना. तो ये सब बहुत कुछ करना पड़ता होगा अरेंजमेंट.
Exactly. The most thing, जब मैंने पहले आपको बोला कि अगर आप फिट रहोगे तो आपकी फैमिली फिट रहेगी. अगर मैं ये खाती हूँ तो मेरी फैमिली भी, लाइक मेरे बच्चे भी समझते हैं कि मम्मा जो भी खा रही है वो हेल्दी है. So trust me, my kids also eat eggs every day, chicken every day. उनके plates में वो पूरा रहता है. Whatever I eat, they want to eat that. They understand अभी कि what is protein and why it's important, and where is mama going, what she do and why she doing. So everything, even my मेरा छोटा बच्चा जो है वो 5 साल का है and he love to do this dumbbells and all things.
Right.
So he just tell me कि मम्मा मुझे बताओ कि कैसे करना है and why is good.
Wow.
So like that is very very inspiring for myself कि आज की generation from age of 5 they are understanding the benefits of health and this start from you. That is what, like, if you are healthy then you can make your family healthy, and once your family healthy.
What is your message for, especially for mothers, who are planning to start their workout? So what will be that one motivational message which you want to convey?
The most important thing, start loving yourself. Once you start loving yourself, then you want to I need to improve. So there should be like, you can't be like this for a long life. Okay? अगर आप पहले ऐसे नहीं थे, आपका पहले का लाइफ अगर आप एंजॉय कर रहे थे तो उसके बाद क्यों नहीं? एंड इट्स नॉट अबाउट कि आप बहुत मोटे हो गए हो या ऐसे हो गए हो, वॉट एवर इट इज़, और आपकी लाइफ बहुत बिजी है, आपको टाइम नहीं मिल रहा है. द ओनली थिंग दैट वी डोंट स्टार्ट, वी प्लान अ लॉट थिंग कि अभी करूँगी, अभी नहीं करूँगी, देन 1 घंटे के बाद करूँगी, बट वी डोंट स्टार्ट. द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज जस्ट स्टार्ट. जस्ट come out of a house, go for the walk, do whatever things you are liking. Like it can be dance, it can be cycling, it can be walk, go to the gym, do whatever you want. But just take the time for yourself.
Well, Kavita, that was really amazing. I'm sorry I barged in between your workout. So thank you so much and wish you all the best. One thing which she said is make a start, love yourself, keep loving 99 workouts, and keep watching Instagram, Tushar_Amlan, and wait for the next guest who's going to be a celebrity guest again. Thank you so much.